Okay, so let's start. Okay, I don't think so anybody is going to join. They will be joining a little late. Okay, so let everybody join, and what you do, you try to solve the question by yourself. Okay, then I will tell you. First you try yourself, then I will.
No, I'll try to do this.
Yes, Shazad?
I said I'll try to do this one.
Yeah. You try, after that I will explain you. Try to form the equation and then tell me what you are assuming and what is the, since it is a triangle, what are the sides, what are the three sides of the triangle, okay? What is the value of the three sides of the triangle? So what you have assumed, Shazad? Which value you have taken as x?
Ma'am, I took let the length of the shortest side be x meter.
Length of shortest side you have taken.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, hypotenuse will be 2 into x plus 6 meters.
X plus?
2x plus 6. Because
Yes.
hypotenuse is yes.
Okay. So length of shortest side is equal to square.
Ma'am, the third side will be 2x plus 6 minus 2 meter, which is 2x plus 4. Then we use Pythagoras theorem.
2x plus 4. Yes. And Shalan, why you don't open your camera nowadays?
Ma'am, because I come from school and after that I sleep, so I don't feel okay. That's why I don't have it.
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, I come from school. After that, I sleep. After that, then I get. I am not that fresh. That is why I don't have it.
Okay. So what your Pythagoras theorem, that hypotenuse square is equal to the square of the other two side. Okay. This one is square. Wait, I wrote it wrong.
Ma'am, we get x square minus 8x minus
Yes.
20 equal to 0.
X square minus 8x minus. You are doing it now.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done. I
You
can
have
tell
already
you.
done it.
Yes, ma'am. I can tell you the value for x also.
Okay. So you did how you did it? By factorization or quadratic formula?
Ma'am, that method, splitting the middle term.
Okay. So how you split it? It
Ma'am, I split it like this. It will be x square minus 10x minus 2x minus 20 equal to 0.
minus 2x minus 20. Now how can you take common here?
Ma'am, it will be. Ma'am, I said no x square minus 10x minus 2x minus 20.
Yeah, actually I have written it, but it is not loading. It is
Yes.
having some issue with the net. Okay. So I've written it, but you cannot see it because of slow net. My slow net. So okay, you tell me the value.
For
How
x.
can you take common?
What?
How can you take common, Shalan? What will be the common value? What you will get in two
Ma'am, it
brackets?
will be x minus 10 and x plus 2. Ma'am, I can't see what you have written. That is why I am feeling.
Wait. This will be plus, I think. Huh? This will not be minus. So x minus 10, yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yes. X minus 10. And try to do with quadratic formula also.
Okay, I will use that. Okay,
Okay,
I'll leave
because
that.
it may come in your exam that do it with the quadratic formula. Then you should know, okay? Because it will just be doing
And
the
that I know that we find the d that is b square minus 4ac, and then x equal to minus b plus minus root 3 divided by 2a.
yes.
I know that also.
X is equal to
10.
10 and x is equal to minus 2. So which value is going to suit here? Which value will work? According to question, which value will work? Which value will we will
X
take
equal to 10.
Yes, and why not minus 2?
Because x cannot be negative.
X cannot be negative.
Yes,
Why x cannot be negative? X can be any value. Just think what you are saying. X can be negative. Why cannot be not? Side of a triangle cannot be negative.
Oh.
Okay. A complete answer because means everywhere. Here we know that what you're talking about, but these are very small things, and sometimes for different scenario, it can create a different, like an interview. These are what you are saying. They just listen each and every word. Okay, so x can be negative. The side of a triangle cannot be
Okay,
negative.
that cannot be negative.
So you are going to.
No, I didn't knew it. That is why I based it.
When you're solving the question in your exam, mention this side of a triangle cannot be negative. So therefore x will be equal to 10. Okay. Today I think no one is going to join. Means from Sepia and Babylonia. Okay. Now another question. So try to do this also. It is gone. Okay. Do this question also, Shazan. The rectangular arc is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle, with its base and as the breadth of the rectangular park and the altitude 12 meter. Find the length and breadth of the rectangular park. I'm covering at least one or two question on every topic. Okay, the topics that you can get in your word problems. Okay, so this is with the geometrical problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And try to go through your assignments also, because you are in class 9th only. Okay, so next year it will be 10. Okay, so if you have already studied there, you're not going to face any issue, so you can start with your 11th. So what equation you are forming, which value you are assuming?
I am. Wait. Ma'am, we can assume the length be as x.
Okay, you can assume the length as x, or you can assume breadth also. That okay, but if you are assuming length, so accordingly form the equation. If you are assuming breadth as x, accordingly form the equation. Okay, see, if you are assuming length, as you said length, so the rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. 3 meter come here length से. So if you are assuming then the length of the park is x meter, then the breadth will be 3 minus x. Okay. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, minus 3, x minus 3, okay? And if you are assuming that the breadth of the park is x, then the length will be x plus 3, okay? Because breadth जो है वो आपकी 3 less है, okay? So obviously
yes,
length will be greater. So
and area will be
form the equation in both ways. Okay, see, you can form the equation in both ways. So what is your okay? What I do, you are telling that the length, wanted to assume that length is equal to x, so you try to make the equation as taking length is equal to x. I am making the equation as breadth is equal to x, which is length is equal
breadth
to
is x minus 3. Man, x plus 4, why?
I'm saying you do by assuming that length is equal to x, okay, and we'll match the answer in the end. Okay, it should be same because you can go with both the ways. Okay, its area is to be 4 meter more than the now. We have assumed for breadth and length. Okay, it's okay. Now here leave it. Okay. Now what will be the area of the park? Rectangular area है park की. So area of rectangular park actually is equal to what? Length into breadth. Okay. So according to you, it will be x multiplied by x minus 3. Okay.
3
now, what will be the area of a triangle? Isosceles triangle है आपका, है ना? Isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth. बेस जो है आपका इसका ब्रेथ, ठीक है, ब्रेथ की जो वैल्यू ली है शाहजान वही रखना, ठीक है.
area of triangle will be half. Yes, ma'am. For you, it will be x plus 3, but for me, it will be x minus 3.
No, for me, it will be x because breadth value I have taken as x, and you have taken x minus 3. That's what I said.
For you, it will be x plus 3.
Okay.
For me, it's x minus 3.
Okay, so area of triangle park will be half base into height. Okay, it will be 6x meter. Okay, 6x meter square in fact, meter square. Now what is given here? Difference is 4 more, na? So it will be x square plus 3s is equal to 4 plus x.
But for me, it is x square minus 3 is equal to.
You can just find the final answer, okay? Because in final answer only you will get, okay? Because जो x की value आपको मिलेगी शज़ाना, that will be the value of the length, and if I get the x, that will be the value of the breadth, okay? So here something different will be working, okay? So what I was doing, yeah, minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, x minus 4.
I'll get the value for length as 7 meter.
Yes, very good. And breadth is obviously you'll get a 4. Okay. So to do a question, when you're forming the equation also, then two people can form a little bit different equation also. Okay, because what they're assuming that depends. Okay, I assume breadth has x, you assume length has x. Okay, but our answer is same because our assumption was not wrong. Okay, accordingly we form the equation. Okay, so it's not necessary that you can in fact form two types of equation also. Okay, but it should be only correct. What it is given, that only you have to put it. Okay. मैंने ब्रेथ को x किया तो मैंने लेंथ को x plus 3 किया, आपने लेंथ को x किया तो ब्रेथ को x minus 3 लिया. Okay. Now we have done question on mensuration. So let's see some miscellaneous word problem means you can get your word problems on your cost price, okay, selling price, okay, so your simple interest, these type of question also you can get. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's see this question also, and then the chapter is complete. I am just copying all this. Okay, I'm giving you the hint. Okay. In fact, no need for hint. Mhm.
Ma'am, what is this?
Wait.
I'm in which chapter?
It is from this chapter only.
The chapter done in class. It was a favorite chapter.
Price, selling price. I think 6 or 7. Which class it was?
Ma'am, it's in 8.
Okay. These
Ma'am,
studies
it's one of my favorite chapters.
Yeah, cost price, selling price, there are too many things.
It was the easiest chapter in that. But I forgot. I think I forgot.
There's nothing to forget. Okay, you'll come to remember. Okay. Nothing else is there, no? Okay. Now, Shazan, tell me, you will remember this. Okay. Now, what was cost price? You remember that cost price from the name cost price? What was cost price?
Cost price is the cost of the object or something.
Yeah, cost of the object. So, who is going to charge cost price? The wholesaler, because the shopkeeper. Actually, the shopkeeper is buy. Okay, cost price वो price होती है जिसपे shopkeeper खरीदता है सामान. Okay, when we are buying from the shopkeeper, okay, तो वो कुछ profit रख के मुझे sell करेगा ना. Then only he will be gaining some amount. Then only he is doing business.
Yes,
okay, so the price that the shopkeeper buys, so that is the cost price. वो उस object का price ऐसे समझो. वो उस object का price है. ठीक है, object का price कौन देगा? Shopkeeper देगा. ठीक है. क्योंकि शॉपकीपर उसको बाय करते हैं एंड वी बाय फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर. हम तो जाकर के मेन मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं ले रहे हैं. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस इज द प्राइस दैट द शॉपकीपर पे.
यस मैम.
ओके, नाउ सेलिंग प्राइस मतलब उस प्राइस पे सेल हो रहा है. ओके, एसपी इज द सेलिंग प्राइस व्हिच वी पे. ओके, नाउ द सेलिंग प्राइस. तो ऑब्वियसली जो सेलिंग प्राइस होता है वो ज्यादा होगा कॉस्ट प्राइस से, बिकॉज शॉपकीपर अपना प्रॉफिट रखे. अब कितना ज्यादा होगा दैट डिपेंड्स शॉपकीपर पे. सो ये जो होता है ना, जो जितना ज्यादा होता है वो उसका क्या होता है? गेन होता है. ओके, सो एक्चुअली यू कैन से लाइक दैट.
And there are different formula for gain percentage and net loss
you can
percentage.
say this way. Yeah, there are formulas. I'll tell you formula. That is why I copied it in the read. Okay, so gain can be not. Gain will be SE minus CP. Selling price और cost price में जो difference होता है वही आपका gain होता है. Okay, now कभी भी ऐसी चीज का परसेंटेज निकालते हो तो कैसे निकालते हो? गेन परसेंट इंटू 100 करते हो. क्या 100 करते हो? ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखते हो कि कितने में से किसका निकाला है ना? यस ना. अगर मैं कहूँ कि टेक आउट द 5% ऑफ 500, 5% ऑफ 500, तो क्या करो? तो 5% निकालना है मुझे. ठीक है, कितना किसका निकालना है? 500 का. तो यहाँ पे आप गेन परसेंट किसका निकालते हो? गेन किस पे करते हो? गेन किस प्राइस पे कर रहे हो शजान? फॉर्मूले को अगर समझ के याद कर लोगे ना तो फिर आपको भूलने का चांस ही नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, कुछ फॉर्मूले तो आपको रटने ही है, उसमें समझने का चांस थोड़ा वो कम होता है, लेकिन मैक्सिमम फॉर्मूला आप समझ के याद कर सकते हो. तो गेन जो कर रहे हो आप, किस अमाउंट पे गेन कर रहे हो? सेलिंग प्राइस पे तो गेन कर नहीं रहे हो, नहीं ना? किस प्राइस पे गेन कर रहे हो? सीपी में गेन कर रहे हो, कॉस्ट प्राइस पे. सो यहाँ पे लिखो सीपी. और कितना गेन कर रहे हो? गेन परसेंट निकाल रहे हो तो गेन अमाउंट लिखो यहाँ पे, कितना गेन किया आपने. तो गेन इक्वल टू गेन अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100, क्योंकि हम परसेंट निकालना है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे देखो, अब इसी को अगर तुम गेन को लिखना चाहोगे कि गेन क्या है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे इसको इस वाले गेन को मत देखो. यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ वैसे ये गेन मैंने सही लिखा था, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में अभी हम गेन को वैसे नहीं लेंगे. ठीक है, प्लस सीपी. ओके, ना अगर गेन को अगर आपको सिर्फ सीपी दिया हुआ है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने इस वाले फॉर्मूला को अभी क्यों हटाया, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में हमें सिर्फ कॉस्ट प्राइस दिया हुआ है जिससे डीलर ने खरीदा है. अब उसी से हमें गेन निकालना है. ठीक है, इसलिए मैं इस फॉर्मूले को यहाँ पे कि तुम करना हो जाओ, तुम सेलिंग प्राइस के थ्रू ना चले जाओ. ठीक है, सो गेन विल बी इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे सीपी सिर्फ है. ठीक है, तो और गेन परसेंट से करके अगर आपको निकालना है तो व्हाट विल बी दैट? सो इट विल बी गेन परसेंट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सीपी अपॉन 100. एम आई राइट? ये मैंने यहाँ हिंट पे भी लिख दिया था आपको. ओके, ना ये समझ में आ गया. अब देखो, अ डीलर सेल्स अ टॉय फॉर ₹24. एक डीलर जो है वो सेल कर रहा है टॉय ₹24 का एंड गेन एज मच परसेंट एज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द टॉय. नाउ यहाँ पे कॉस्ट प्राइस आपको गिवन नहीं है. ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस इज नॉट गिवन. यहाँ देखो, डीलर सेल्स अ टॉय, यहाँ पे आपका जो है ये जो है ना 24, यहाँ पे ओके, जो मैं लिख रही हूँ ना उस पर ध्यान दे लो. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मेरा नेट थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है. ठीक है, ओके, तो एसपी विल बी 24 rupees. It is given here. Now what is said
Ma'am,
that
there are two different formulas for gain and gain percent.
gain and gain percent. No, here आपको सिर्फ gain percent की बात किया and gain as much percent as cost price of the toy. So यहाँ पे cost price, so let the cost price given नहीं है, let the cost price, लेकिन gain percent cost price के reference से बताया जा रहा है, तो let the cost price is equal to x rupees. Okay, ठीक है ना? अब यहाँ पे gain percent क्या है? Gain percent आपको दिया हुआ है, क्या दिया हुआ है? Is equal to cost price. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है gain as much percent, उसने कितना किया? As much percent as cost price. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे gain percent आपका दिया हुआ है, वो है gain percent इक्वल कितना है? Is equal to x. ठीक है, तो गेन परसेंट आपको x दिया हुआ, इसीलिए मैं गेन को जो है गेन निकालने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करूंगी. ठीक है, वो एसपी माइनस सीपी नहीं करूंगी. ठीक है, क्योंकि एसपी माइनस सीपी करके आपका इक्वेशन वैसे नहीं बनेगा ना. ठीक है, तो गेन परसेंट इज इक्वल टू x. नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द गेन, सो गेन विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? Gain percent, that is x multiplied by cp. You can see here cp, so cp is also x upon 100. It will be equal to x square upon 100. Yes. Now आपका fp क्या होता है? ep minus cp plus gain. cp is given 24. cp आपका x है plus gain आप x square upon 100 निकला. आपका quadratic equation बन गया. x square 100x. यहाँ x square आया निशान देखो.
No, ma'am, I thought it's normal mensuration.
Okay. अभी यहाँ पे 100 आपका इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो 2400. Okay, so this is your equation.
Ma'am, it's a quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation अब split करके फॉर्म करते हो, so 2400, then you will get 2400. कहीं गलत नहीं ना कुछ है?
Ma'am, we should use that quadratic formula over here. It will be more easier because splitting the middle term will be one.
स्प्लिटिंग में ना या मिडिल टर्म, सॉरी क्वाड्रेटिक में थोड़ा वैल्यू काफी बड़ी हो जाएगी आपकी, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 1000 इज देयर, बट यू कैन डू दैट वे आल्सो. ओके, बिकॉज जीरो तो आपको सिर्फ ऐड ही करना होता है. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट. ओके, अगर आप स्प्लिट करना चाहते हैं 12 का 2 सो 12 का 2 देगा ही, 12 का 2 का चांस ही नहीं है. 6 से 4 6 पॉइंट नहीं होता. If you're gonna split it, then 6 or 24 का क्या होगा? 2 होगा फैक्टर, 12 है, 24 wait. I think that you have to apply the quadratic formula only because no one is going to give you 100.
I'm just going to get it.
What you're saying, Shazan?
Ma'am, I found the dx, ma'am, 1400.
Okay, so let me do it. Is equal to b square minus 4
ma'am, 100 square is 10,000 and minus 4 into 24, ma'am, 24 4 is 96.
Correct. So you'll get like I see. So 400 will be there.
No, wait. Okay, got it. I did a little bit mistake in calculation. I instead of 9600, I wrote 8600.
Oh, so 96 subtraction will be over 8. Subtraction will be 400. And it will be in root 400 upon 2. Okay. So 22 will be there. 20 upon 2 cancel हो जाएगा आपका, है ना? X की वैल्यू आगे क्या? 40
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing wrong in the question, no? Taking square root of x naught.
Ma'am, we're getting wrong answer.
Yeah, you are getting 20. Maybe answer is wrong, okay? Because you are also getting the same answer, and I am also getting the same answer, okay? So here it may be wrong, okay? So what it will be there? Cost price cannot be negative, okay? So you are going to take the 40, okay? So wait, x na? X is the cost price, yeah. X is the cost price, so x will be 40 rupees. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next class we will be most probably starting with this coordinate geometry, because I think Rudronial and Safia both of your school coordinate geometry is. Rudronial, you are too late. In fact, I was going to finish the session. It is almost finished. Why so? You're so late.
Ma'am, I have school.
Your school gets over at what time?
Ma'am, it usually gets over at 3, but today I have to stay back or something.
Okay. So I'll just quickly revise things for you. Okay. They did only 3 questions. Okay. Okay. So first one we did word problem based on geometry. Okay, means shape is there. Okay, so question is there. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter more. Okay, hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. Okay, if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, then find the side of the triangle. You have to find all the three sides of a triangle. So we are going to form the equation here. So what is given here? See, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. Okay, we don't know about the shortest side. Okay, and hypotenuse side is, you can say that you can take out the exact value of the hypotenuse side with the help of the shortest side. So we are going to assume the length of the shortest side as x meter. Okay. After assuming the x meter, we can form the equation of the hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse of the right angle will be what? 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. So what will be the twice of the shortest side? 2x and 6 meter more. So 2x plus 6. Okay, so 2x plus 6 will be the size of your hypotenuse. Okay, and the third side is 2 less. See here, third side is 2 less than the hypotenuse. We have got the value of hypotenuse at 2x plus 6 minus 2. We will get the value of third side is 4. Okay, now we already know what right angle triangle. You can form the equation. What is the equation? That the value of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum, the square of the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so hypotenuse value is 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to the one of the side, the shortest side value is x square, x squaring it, and the other side is 2x plus 4, and again squaring it. Okay, so after solving, we have got the equation as x square minus 8 minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, and after this, you can solve the equation, quadratic equation, with the help of your middle term splitting or quadratic formula. Okay, we have done with middle term splitting. That is the factors of 20. Among that, you can see 10 and 2. Okay, 10 2s are 20. If you multiply 10 and 2, you'll get the value 20. And if you are going to, since it is minus, so if you are going to subtract 10 and 2, then it will give you 8. Okay, so we have split the 8x into minus 10x plus 2x. Okay, and we have got the value of x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we will exclude this minus 2. Why? Because side or measurement cannot be negative. Okay, we can say that measurement cannot be negative. So we are going to exclude this minus 2 and we'll get the value of x is 10. Okay, any doubt in this question? How we have formed the equation? Udroniel? If you are going to be late now, you can inform in the session also. Okay, now
Yes,
the next question is the rectangular part is to be designed whose breadth is. Now here you can form the equation in two ways. Okay, in fact any equation can be formed in 2 or 3 different ways also. Okay, generally 2 ways, so it cannot be formed. Okay, so a rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter. जिसकी breadth जो है 3 meter less है than its length. Okay, so I have taken breadth as x meter. Okay, and then if I am taking breadth as x meter, so length will obviously be x plus 3. Okay, now area of park. What will be the area of a park? See, it is a rectangular park. In the starting it is written a rectangular park. Okay, whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. So the area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. X into x plus 3. So you will get it as x square plus 3x meter square because it is an area. Okay. Now what is it in here? Its area is to be, the rectangular park area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of a park. Okay. That has already been made in a shape of an isosceles triangle, जो पहले से बना हुआ था आपका, ठीक है, with its base as the breadth of the rectangle. Now, if you are going to find out the area of a triangular park, okay, then what it will be? Half base into height, okay, half, and base is the same as the breadth. So I have assumed breadth as x. So half into x multiplied by altitude is given as 12 meter. So 12, okay. So we have got the value as 6x m square, okay. This is the area of a triangular park, okay. And now the relation is given here to form the equation that there's 4 more, okay. Its area, it means rectangular park area is 4 square meter more than the isosceles triangle, okay. So we have formed the equation here that area of the triangle, area of the rectangular park is equal to 4 plus area of triangular park. Any doubt? Okay. So if you are going to form the equation, it will be solve it. So you'll get x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now again, after this, you can solve it with the help of your middle term splitting or by quadratic formula. Okay, I got the value of x as 4. If you're going to solve it by this, now check this d. Okay, if you're going to check the d, that is b square minus 4ac. B square will be 9 minus 4ac. Okay, 4 a value is 1 and c value is again minus 4. Yes, am I right? Yeah, minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is a 3. But we are coming equal rows. So b square minus 4ac. C value is minus 4. Okay, so you can solve in this way also. Okay, I got the value of x as x is equal to 4. Okay, x minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, I've got the okay, but it should be equal to 0 because I'm getting two equal roots. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. Shazan, you also got two equal roots now for x.
Yes, ma'am.
So b square minus 4ac should give you equal to 0. It is a 9 minus 4ac. 4.
I'm at 25.
What?
Ma'am, the 9 plus 16, 25 it will be like.
D value, na? But it should be 0 because if you're getting equal roots, that means the value of D should be 0. You remember? When
Yes.
D is equal to 0, then the roots should be equal. Okay?
Yeah.
And if you are greater than 0, the root should be distinct. And if it is less than 0, it should be your what? Okay, so check it once. Okay, it should, but we can see here everything is correct and roots are also equal. Plus minus sign is not there, na? No, both are. No, it's not equal. Sorry, how it will be equal? So it is not equal. You are saying also it is equal. 1 x is equal to 4 and 1 will be x is equal to minus 1. It is not equal. 1 is 4. See, after we will move. So it will be x. Sorry, I got confused after this step. Okay, I have not written one step. X minus 4 and x plus 1. 1 will be here. Okay, so x plus 1. So since value cannot be negative, so we are excluding it, and x is equal to 4 is your breadth, and length will be x plus 3. Okay, so it will be 7. Okay, and since you can see the value also 25, after this you can just find from this if you are finding quadratic formula. So after this, what it will be? X is equal to minus b plus minus root 25 upon 2a. Okay, and you can see minus b means minus 3, so it will be plus 3 plus minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so it will be one time you will take for the value of plus 5 and one time you will take the value of minus 5. If you are going to take the value of plus 5, 8 upon 2, and if you are going to take the value of minus 5, so it will be minus 2 upon 2. The same value you are going to get, minus 1. Okay, so whichever way you are going to solve, that is correct.